Welcome to RescueTime.
RescueTime is a powerful tool designed to help you understand and improve your digital habits. By tracking how you spend time on your computer or mobile device, RescueTime gives you insights into your daily routines and helps you stay focused on what matters most.
Setting up RescueTime.
To get started, download and install the RescueTime app on your device. After creating an account, the app begins running in the background, automatically tracking application and website usage without manual input. For the best experience, adjust your privacy settings to control what gets monitored and customize categories to fit your needs.
Understanding your dashboard.
RescueTime's dashboard offers a clear overview of how you spend your time. View daily and weekly reports, highlighting productive and distracting activities. Categories like business, communication, or entertainment help you spot patterns. Use these insights to identify distractions and track progress toward your focus goals.
Setting focus goals and alerts.
Increase productivity by setting focus goals in RescueTime, such as limiting social media use or boosting productive hours. Create custom alerts to notify you when you exceed time limits on distracting activities. These reminders keep you accountable and support healthier digital habits every day.
Taking action and improving focus.
Based on your data, RescueTime suggests ways to minimize distractions, like scheduling focused work sessions or blocking sites during key hours. Regularly review your reports to celebrate improvements and adjust strategies as needed. With consistent use, RescueTime empowers you to reclaim your attention and build more productive days.